you want to know how I make this delicious pineapple juice, watch this video to the end, guys. This is homemade. If you want to know how I achieve this ananas, watch the video to the end. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and in this way you are supporting me. Thank you and God bless you. Press the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. My return is thank you and God bless you. In today's video, I want to make a simple recipe. I want to make some juice, pineapple juice, which is ananas juice. Okay, without wasting some of your short time, let's get into the video. Keep watching, guys. Ananas is very good for body, okay? It's really good. This is natural. This is not supermarket made. This is already made, homemade juice ananas. Keep watching, guys. First thing you have to do is to cut the ananas. So I will cut it now. As I slice it already, and I will cut into the pieces and I put it into my blender. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, first of all, I slice it. You have to remove this because this one is not nice. So then you cut it. I've already cut this one. I have to put it in the blender. Okay, everything is inside the blender already, so I have to start blending the pineapple now. Continue washing, guys. Okay guys, the pineapple I've already blended. Now I will be putting it in the bowl. Okay, I'm going to filter it here now. So continue washing, guys. Have to continue turning it so that the water will be coming down. Keep washing, guys. As you can see, guys, my pineapple juice is ready. You see the color? You see how the color is very nice and beautiful, guys. Try it for your family. This is homemade ananas. So let's put the ananas into the glass, guys. So we are putting it into the glass. Keep washing, guys. This is my homemade ananas. Oh my god, it look very natural, guys. It look very natural. It's really nice. Try it for your kids. kids always like to drink ananas. Okay, this is Saturday afternoon. I am so happy to make it. Okay, guys, thank you for joining me today. Please, if you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? It doesn't cost any money to subscribe. Just hit that red button that says subscribe. It does not cost anything. Subscribe to the channel, okay, and join the family. You will always be notified whenever I upload a new video when you subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your support, and see you for my next video. Bye bye.